Now we will discuss about concentration of the solution. Concentration concentration of solution. Concentration of solution indicates amount of solute in solution. First term about the concentration of the solution is the molarity. Definition: moles of solute per liter of solution. पर लीटर सॉल्यूशन में जो मोल्स होते हैं उनको मोलैरिटी कहते हैं. ओके, इसका represented by capital M. Formula of the molarity: M is equal to moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter, or weight of solute upon molar mass of solute into volume of solution in ml into 1000. Okay, here Nb is the moles of solute, Bs liter, volume of solution in liter, Wb weight of solute in gram, Mb molar mass of solute gram per mole, or volume of solution in ml. Okay, now we move on how they react with the temperature, the effect of temperature. Effect of temperature: volume directly proportional to temperature. The temperature increase, volume increases, and the molarity is inversely proportional to the volume. Temperature increases, volume increases, molarity decreases. Okay, next is the unit. Molarity is the moles per liter solution, moles per liter, or mole per liter, or a capital M, molar. Okay, this is all about the molarity. Next term is molality. Molality definition: number of moles of solute NV per kg weight of solvent. Here is not a solution but a solvent represented by small m. Formula m is equal to, from definition, the number of moles of solute Nb per kg of solvent. The weight of solvent is represented by A in kg, or moles of the solute is weight of the solute upon molar mass of solute into weight of solvent in gram into 1000. Okay, here n is the moles of solute, wa is equal to solvent weight of solvent, wb weight of solute, mv molar mass of solute. जब kg में रखेंगे, when we put here weight of the solvent in kg, then no 1000s is to be multiplied. When the weight of the solvent in gram, then the moles is multiplied by 1000s. Okay, next one is mole fraction. Mole fraction definition: moles of a component expressed as fraction of total moles, represented by x. Okay, formula of the mole fraction. The mole fraction of the component, any component, suppose a component A, mole fraction of component A is equal to moles of A here we write the mole fraction of A in the symbol only in the formula. The mole fraction of the component A is equal to moles of A upon total moles, or moles of A is equal to moles of A plus moles of B, or a moles of component B is equal to moles of B upon total moles is equal to moles of component B upon B plus moles of component A. Sum of all mole fraction, sum of the mole fraction of all components, sum of mole fraction of all components is always 1, component A mole fraction and component B mole fraction and so on is always equal to 1. Suppose solution contain only the two component A and component B, and then their mole fraction is component A is given X. Can we find out the component mole fraction of the component B? Yes. Mole fraction of the component B 1 minus component A. Okay. Formula: dependent effect of temperature, effect of temperature does not affected by temperature moles does not affected by temperature. Okay. Next is unit. Is the unitless unitless quantity because it is ratio of moles. Next concentration terms is normality. Definition: number of gram equivalent of solute per liter of solution, presented by capital N. Formula: N is equal to gram equivalent up, upon volume of solution in liter. Gram equivalent is the weight of the solute upon molar mass of the solute into valency factor divided by volume of solution in liter, or weight of solute, molar mass of solute, valency factor upon volume of solution in ml. When the volume of the solution is given in ml, then multiplied by whole formula by 1000. Okay. Here WB is the weight of solute, MB is the molar mass of solute, valency factor, VF is valency factor, for acid is equal to acidity, or is equal to number of H plus ions replaced. For base is equal to basicity, or number of OH ion replaced. Here for salt, total positive charge oxidation or reduction, valency factor is equal to number of electrons lose or gain. Okay. Molarity फॉर्मूला फॉर्मूला हो गया। अब रह गया टेम्परेचर, इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर सेम एज मोलारिटी। Normality inversely proportional to temperature. Temperature increase, normality decrease. Next is the unit. Unit is gram equivalent. Gram equivalent per liter or capital N normal solution. Next is formula mass. Formula mass unit. Definition: number of formula mass unit per liter of solution is called formula mass unit, represented by F, capital F. Formula F is equal to formula mass formula mass upon volume of solution liter. Formula mass is equal to molar mass for ionic compound. This unit, this quantity, this quantity, this quantity formula mass unit is used to measure ionic compound. Ionic compound concentration. What is temperature dependency? Temperature effect same as molarity unit. Formula mass per liter or simply capital M. Next is mass percentage. Definition: mass of solute expressed as percentage mass of solution, represented by M by M. Percent. Formula m by m% mass of component, mass of solute upon total mass into 100 is called molar, is called mass percentage. Temperature effect, no effect, because mass does not affected by temperature. Unit is a unitless, simple ratio of masses. Next one, volume percentage. Volume percentage. Definition: volume of solute expressed as percentage volume of solution, represented by V by V percent. Formula: V by V percent is volume of solute in ml, total volume of solution in ml into 100. Okay, this is a formula. As the temperature effect, yes, volume directly proportional to temperature. Temperature increases, volume increases. Unit, unitless, because it is ratio of volumes. Next is mass volume percentage. What is definition of mass volume percentage? Mass of solute in gram. Mass of solute, mass of solute as expressed as percentage volume of solution, represented by mass volume percent. Formula: m by v, mass of solute, gram, volume of solution in ml into 1000 into 100. Effect of temperature: volume directly proportional to temperature. Temperature increases, volume decreases, and hence m by v increases. Next is part per billion. Part per million. ppm. For measuring very minute solute or traces solute in solution. Definition: part per million. Part of solute in gram per million part of solution, represented by ppm. Formula: weight of solute upon weight of solution into 10 raised to power 6 is called ppm. Formula: temperature dependency is variable, conditional, unit, unitless, because it is ratio. Okay, it is ratio. Next is all those terms we have studied in percentage, we can also describe here in the part per million. For example, m by m percent is the volume m by m ppm is the v by v percent, here v by v ppm, here mass volume percentage, here is mass volume ppm. Okay, those all those formulas which involved in w by percentage, here we can also use in ppm. Okay, I think here we have to take one question. But molarity molality is better quantity than molarity. Here is molality or here is molarity. So molality is better quantity than molarity because volume directly proportional to temperature. Temperature varied, volume varied, hence molarity varied. But molality independent of temperature because of mass. Okay, this is question what we have done. I think this is important one. Okay, now we will move on the question, previous year question, expressing the concentration of the solution, define the molality. What I have explained you, what I have write you here, you have to here molality. This you can write all this. Okay, molality is the number of moles of solute per kg of solvent represented by m. Formula is this, and the and independent by temperature. All this we can write here. Okay, but according to the weightage, otherwise we cannot complete our paper in examination. So we have to keep in mind weightage. What is the weightage is given, जिस हिसाब से वेटेज दिया गया हो उस हिसाब से हमें क्वेश्चन कुल की लेंथ रखना. Okay, here is a molarity is 1 mark question, so we can write here is like this: molality, moles of solute per kg solvent, or molality is equal to moles or kg solvent. This is enough. Okay, we can write this is here. Here is this is enough. Or we can add one point कि molarity is independent on temperature. Okay, this is a complete answer. Second question, define the molarity. Then the molarity is represented by capital M, moles of solute for moles of solute per liter solution. Capital M is equal to moles or volume of solution. Okay, depend on temperature. यूनिट भी लिख सकते हैं, यूनिट यहाँ मोल पर kg. Here is mole per liter. This is enough. Define the mole fraction. What is the mole fraction? Mole fraction represented by x. Mole fraction is क्या है? Moles of solute expressed as fraction of total. तो moles of component A, mole fraction of the component A, moles of A upon total moles. Okay, unitless. और दूसरा does not depend on temperature. Here is N is equal to moles of A and T is equal to total moles. Moles of A plus moles of B. That's enough. 1 mark question, we have to write very shortly, very briefly. Now move to the next question, which is again is 1 mark question. It's numerical question. This is the 2 mark question. Question 4 is 2 marks. Question 5 is also a 2 marks question. Question 6 is 2 marks question. Question 7 is 2 marks question. Okay, this is a 2 mark question. Calculate the molarity. Okay, here we have can understand the difference density of the solution, molarity and weight percent. What is the relation? Molarity m and the weight percent. W by W परसेंट रिलेशन क्या है, क्या रिलेशन है? मोलारिटी इज इक्वल टू होता है W by W परसेंट इंटू 10 इंटू D अपॉन मॉलिकुलर वेट ऑफ सॉल्यूट. अब देख लेते हैं यहाँ पर व्हाट वी हैव गिवन. W by W 9.8% solution density is given 1.02 gram per ml. Molar mass of H2SO4 is given 98 gram per mole. Molarity, we can find the molarity. In this formula, we can put all these given data. The molarity is equal to, we have to put 9.8 into 10, density is 1.02 gram per ml, or here is the molar mass of solute is 98. Okay, 98 से ये 9.8 कैंसिल होगा तो 0.1 मिलेगा, और 0.1 से ये 0 हट जाएगा तो 1.02 मोल पर लीटर मोलारिटी. यही हमारा आंसर होगा, मोल्स पर लीटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन द मोलारिटी एंड मोलालिटी ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन. हमें पता है कि मोलारिटी और मोलारिटी के बीच में हम डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं. मोलारिटी कैपिटल एम एंड मोलालिटी इज स्मॉल एम. डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे दोनों की. सबसे पहले नंबर ऑफ मोल्स पर लीटर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, ये तो मोलारिटी है. और मोलालिटी क्या है? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स पर केजी सॉल्वेंट. ओके, डेफिनेशन के बाद रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय इज कैपिटल एम और इज स्मॉल एम. Molarity is represented by capital M and molality is represented by small m. Formula: capital M is equal to moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter, or weight of solute upon molar mass of solute, or volume of solution in ml. Then we have to multiply the whole formula by 1000. Here is this: molality is equal to moles of solute upon weight of solvent in kg, or weight of solute upon molar mass of solute into weight of solvent in gram into 1000. Here we can write this meaning of each symbol. Nv is equal to moles of solute. Vs is volume of solution. W is weight of solute. Mb is molar mass of solute. Okay, here we can also write the same. Nv moles of solute, or Wa weight of solvent, Wb weight of solute, Mb is molar mass of solute. Okay, the B for solute, or sorry, V for solute, A for solvent, जनरली हम यूज़ करेंगे ये पूरे चैप्टर के अंदर, तो प्लीज़ कीप इन द माइंड. फार्मूला के बाद इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर. Here's the molarity involves the volume. The volume is directly proportional to temperature. The temperature increase, volume increases, molarity decreases. No effect. Here is no effect of temperature. What is the unit? Unit यहाँ moles per liter, or simple mole per liter, or capital M. Here is moles per kg, or a mole per kg, or simply small m, molal. Here this is the differences to my question. We have to write this. Okay. Now move on the next question. Solution, the glucose in water is leveled by 10% by the weight. What would be the molality of the solution? The molality of the solution. What is the molality of the solution? When we don't know the direct relation between molality, the weight percent, then we will solve such a type of question by basic methods. In these methods, first of all, we will write what the meaning of the concentration terms given in the question. Here is weight percent, that is 10% by weight, which means 10 gram of glucose in 100-gram solution. Here is weight of glucose represented by WB plus weight of glucose, weight of water is a solvent, is represented by WA is equal to 1000 gram. That is the weight of solution. It's the complete weight. The weight of glucose plus weight of water is equal to the weight of solution. Only the weight of glucose WB is given as 10 gram. Then weight of water, that is solvent, WA is equal to 100 minus 10, that is 90 gram. So we know the weight of the glucose is 100 gram, weight of the solution 100 gram, and the weight of water is 90 gram, and the molar mass of glucose, that is MB, is equal to 180 gram per mole. So molality represented by small m क्या होगी? तो मोलैलिटी स्मॉल m is equal to weight of solute WB, molar mass of solute capital MB. This is whole become moles. So moles of solute and weight of solvent presented by WA in gram. Then whole formula is multiplied by 1000. Put the value of each symbol. Weight of the glucose WB is equal to 10 gram. Molar mass MV, molar mass of glucose 180 gram, and the 1000, or weight of solvent in gram. Weight of solvent in gram 90 gram. Calculate. We will get this जीरो से दिस जीरो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, एक जीरो से ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो ये हमारे पास आएगा 100/18 into 9. We can solve it, then get answer. Okay, मोल पर केजी और मोलल. ठीक है, आप सॉल्व कर लेना, क्योंकि मेरी कैलकुलेशन इतनी अच्छी नहीं है कि मैं आपको आपकी इसमें कोई मदद कर सकूं. एक क्वेश्चन में पूछ रहा है, ऐसा क्वेश्चन हम पहले भी किए हैं कि डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन द मोलैरिटी एंड द मोलैलिटी इन द सॉल्यूशन. तो मोलैरिटी एंड मोलैलिटी, फर्स्ट तो हम डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे इसमें सबसे पहले कि मोलैरिटी मोल्स इन per moles of solute, moles of solute per liter of solution. The moles of solute per kg of solvent, per kg of solvent, represented by molarity is represented by capital M, and molality is represented by small m. Formula of molarity: capital M is equal to moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter, or moles of solute is equal to weight of solute upon molar mass of solute, volume of solution in ml. Then we have to multiply the whole equation by 1000. Here we can write this meaning of E symbol. NB moles of solute, MB molar mass of solute, or Vs volume of solution, or Wb is weight of solute. Here is the formula for molality. Small m is equal to moles of solute divided by vol weight of solvent in kg, or, or is equal to weight of solute upon molar mass of solute into 1000 upon weight of solvent in gram. Here also we can write the symbol of meaning of the E symbol. Nb is the moles of solute, or Wa is the weight of solvent, or Wb is the weight of solute. Mb is molar mass of solute. Okay, effect of temperature, volume directly proportional to temperature, and the molarity is inversely proportional to the volume. Temperature increase, volume, temperature increase, volume increase, molarity decrease. Here is molality is have a no effect of temperature, no effect. Unit moles per liter, or mole per liter, or a capital M. Here is a mole per kg, or small m. Okay, this question is 2 marks. So we can write only the few according to the weight is given in the question. We can write the short answer according to the weight is the question giving in 1 and 2 marks, but I have written a full differentiation between the molality or molarity, because you have to remember all these question points. If this question is come in 3 marks, so you able to write all these points. What is the effect temperature change on molarity and molality in the solution? This also cover in this question. So I think this question is complete. This question's answer is complete. We can now move on next question. Again, is the question is same. Question number 7 and question number 8 is same. Differentiate between the molarity and molality of the solution. Explain how molarity value solution can be converted to the molality. Conversion of molarity into molality. Here we can see differentiate between the molarity and molality. You can copy from above question or a previous question. Here we can see the half part of the question is molarity value of the solution can be converted to the molality. The relation by relation between molality and molarity. It is the density upon molarity is equal to 1 upon molality plus m into m2 molarity into इस रिलेशन से हम मोलालिटी को मोलारिटी में कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है. ओके, here we can write the meaning of each symbol. D is the density, m is the molarity, small m is the molality, m2 is the molar mass of solute. Okay, now next, move to the next question. Such type of question is repeated, we have done earlier. Okay, a solution of the glucose in water is labeled at 10% by mass. What would be the molality and the molarity of the solution? So for molality we don't have ready-made formula, then we have to calculate the molarity by basics, and then we can apply the formula between the molality and molarity and find out the molarity. The first we have to calculate, we can calculate molality. Molality is calculated, what is given, 10% by weight, 10% by weight, or first we can first find out a molarity. In such a type of question, we will first find out the molarity, then molality. The molarity capital M is equal to weight percent into 10 in, into density upon M2, molecular weight of solute. Here is D is the density, M2 is the molar mass of solute, molar mass of glucose, and M2 is the molar mass of solute, or percentage, weight percent is given 10. So we can put all the given data in this formula for molarity. The weight percent is given 10% is equal to 10, then multiplied by 10, and density given 1.2, a molar mass of the glucose is 180. So this zeros cancels this point, to 12 by 18, or 6, so cancel as 6 2 just 12, or 6 3 ja 2 by 3. मोलैरिटी आई, 2/3 इज मोलैरिटी। अब मोलैरिटी एंड मोलालिटी रिलेशन लगा के हम इससे मोलैलिटी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। वो क्या है, डेंसिटी अपॉन मोलैरिटी इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन मोलैलिटी प्लस मोलैरिटी इंटू मोलर मास अपॉन 1000। अब यहाँ पर हम मोलैरिटी रख देंगे, मोलैरिटी की जगह, तो हमें मोलैलिटी डेंसिटी भी दी हुई है, मोलैलिटी हमें मिल जाएगी। ओके, इस तरीके से हम उसको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं।